In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take a long screenshot on Pinterest app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to head over to the App Store and then search for the app which is called Zeta. Then I'm just going to enter Z-E-T-A, just like so, and that's how we can easily find Zeta Stitch. Now I'm going to tap right here, and that's how we can easily find that app. First off, guys, now you need to download it to your iPhone. I already have this app downloaded, so I'm gonna just skip this step. And once the app is downloaded, first off you need to open it up for the first time, and then you need to grant all the necessary permissions like access to your gallery and network connection. They will appear right here in the middle of the screen. Once it's done, we can go out of this app for now, and then we need to head over to settings. I'm going to show you from the very beginning. So first off, we need to head over to settings. After that, tap add control center. And here you need to ensure that screen recording shortcut is added to included control section. If it is not, like that, just scroll down until you find it here in that list, and then tap add the plus button next to it. Now guys, everything is ready to start taking a long screenshot, and first off we need to swipe down from the top right corner to bring up the control center, and then just tap right here to start recording your screen. After a countdown, it will start the recording process, and now we can head over to Pinterest. Now our screen is being recorded, and then we need to head over to the place of which we would like to take a long screenshot. We can head over to home, or let's say to inbox, it doesn't really matter. And now all we have to do is just go through that page, just drag it up. In my case it is up. If you are at a conversation, you need to drag it down. You need to do it really slow, just like so. And then once all the items you would like to put on your screenshot are recorded, you need to stop recording the video. And now basically all we have to do is just go to Zeta Stitch. It recognized that I recorded a video, and now we need to trim it to remove all the parts of the video except for the part with our recording of the place we would like to put on our screenshot. I'm going to remove all this part, and in the same way we can trim it from the end, just like that. Now guys, we just need to hit add next, and it will start converting our video into a screenshot, into an image. And here it is. There we got image, and if we would like to save it to our camera roll, we just need to hit right here at save, and here it is. Now from here we can tap at sharing to share it with someone via, let's say, Messenger or maybe social media platform. Also from here we can tap at delete originals to remove the video we recently recorded from our camera roll. And then later on we can go to the Photos app, where right here we can easily find the long screenshot we've just created. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.